Hello, dear traveler. Breath is one of the most accessible and powerful tools we have to calm the mind and body, especially in moments of stress or anxiety, because it's always with us. Learning to breathe mindfully can be a simple yet transformative practice that helps us navigate life's challenges with more ease. Stress often causes our breath to become shallow, rapid, and irregular, which feeds a cycle of tension and overwhelm. But by consciously shifting how we breathe, we can send a message to our nervous system that it's safe to relax. Here's a detailed guide on how to use breathwork to gently release stress and bring calmness back into your day. Step 1. Create a comfortable environment. Begin by finding a quiet place where you can sit or lie down comfortably without distractions. You don't need a special setup, just a cozy spot where you feel safe. If you like, dim the lights or light a candle to set a peaceful atmosphere. Allow your shoulders to drop away from your ears and soften your jaw. Let your hands rest gently on your lap or belly. Step 2. Connect to your natural breath. Before changing your breath pattern, simply notice your natural breath. Don't try to control it. Observe where you feel the breath most. Your chest, belly, or ribs. Notice its rhythm and depth. This awareness brings you into the present moment and helps create a foundation of gentle self-connection. Step 3. Begin slow, deep breathing. Now, take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, counting silently to 4 as you do. Feel your belly rise like a balloon filling with air. Pause gently at the top of your inhale for a count of 2. 1, 2. Then exhale slowly and fully through your mouth or nose for a count of 6. Let your belly soften as the air leaves your body. This longer exhale is key. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which calms your body and mind. Step 4. Repeat with mindful focus. Continue this breathing cycle for 5 to 10 rounds, or longer if it feels good. As you breathe, focus your attention on the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back without judgment. You might also silently say a calming phrase, such as, "I am safe," on the inhale, and "I release tension" on the exhale. Step 5. Optional visualization for deeper relaxation. If you want, add a visualization to your breath. Imagine with each inhale that you're drawing in a warm, soothing light that fills your whole body. With each exhale, picture any stress, tightness, or worries melting away like dark clouds, dissolving into the air. This imagery helps deepen the sense of peace and relaxation. Benefits of breathwork. This practice lowers your heart rate, reduces muscle tension, and quiets the mind's chatter. Over time, regular breathwork strengthens your ability to stay calm during life's ups and downs. It also improves focus, emotional regulation, and overall well-being. What to remember: breath work isn't about forcing or controlling your breath. It's about reconnecting to its natural rhythm and using it as a tool for self-care. You can return to this simple practice anytime, before a stressful meeting, during a hectic day, or before bedtime. Your breath is your anchor, always ready to bring you back to yourself. If stress feels overwhelming today, remember, you don't have to fight it alone. Just pause, breathe, and be gentle with yourself. You are capable of cultivating calmness no matter what's happening around you. Now that you've explored this breathwork practice, how did it feel for you? Did something shift in your body or your mood? Have you used your breath to manage stress before, or was this a new experience? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Sharing your journey might help someone else on theirs. If this practice brought you a moment of peace, share it with someone who might need it today, and subscribe for more gentle tools to support your well-being. Let's keep breathing together, one calm moment at a time. Have a wonderful life, dear traveler.